Gottigix back with another video, and today I thought I would go over my motovlogging setup that I'm currently using for all of my videos and all the content that you see me posting on the socials, right? So I'm using for starters, the helmet. I'm using the KYT TT Course. It's a really cheap helmet, but it works, you know what I mean? It was like 125 bucks, I think, when I went to go buy it. It was awesome. It works really well. It's kind of loud though, but you kind of expect that with the price and everything like that. So definitely later in the future, I'm gonna get a quieter helmet. That way the motovlogging setup can be just a little bit better. Now, so we got the helmet out of the way. Hello, you see me in the thing there. But for the camera, we're using the DJI Action 5, right? Why did I go with the DJI Action 5? I went with the DJI Action 5 because, really the main reason was because of the night mode, right? It's got a night mode, and I'll show you a clip of that in a second. The night mode, it brightens everything up at night, and it did so much better than when I had my GoPro. I had a GoPro Hero 12 before this setup, and at night, you couldn't see anything. It was really dark. You can see, if you go back to my older videos, you'll see it. When I was riding at night, you can't really see much. But now, with the newer videos and the newer content I'm putting out, the videos are that much better because of the night mode. And I'll put a clip right here so you can see it. All right, so, but that's for the night mode on that, and it's awesome. That's the main reason I got the DJI for the setup, because I moved over to the DJI from the GoPro. Now, right next to that, I've got my adapter, okay? So before, you don't need this adapter, you really don't. You have, I'll show you. Right there, there's a Type-C hole where you can get an adapter from aux to that. But what I did was, I bought this little adapter here, okay? Because I think these are a little bit more sturdy. So it goes to Type-C right in there, boom, and it brings you to an aux and a Type-C here. So this just clicks right on the side here, boom, goes right in there, so I can plug my aux there and I can still charge it and everything for that. The reason I did that was because this is a lot more sturdy than putting the Type-C, like aux to Type-C cable in there. I had that adapter for a little bit, but it kind of scared me and I didn't want it to like break. Oh, we're out of focus. So it kind of scared me, so that's why I went with this setup here. So, and then this one's super easy, it just goes right in there. So with this one, like I said, you don't need it. You can just take the mic cable, plug it right into the DJI. Before with the GoPro, you had to use a media mod, which the media mod, then you can plug the aux in there. So I guess you can think of this as like your media mod in a way. But like I said, you don't really need it. That was another benefit of the DJI. I am using the Purple Panda mic setup. It's really budget friendly and it sounds great. I'll put a clip here so you can hear how it sounds.
With another video, we got the gsxr, another Gen 3 S1K, my S1K, this Miata Gixxer, and the new.
And yeah, so I'll put all the links down below to everything that I'm currently using in this setup here. But it's, like I said, it's awesome. It's super budget friendly. The mic works great for how it is. And I have it sitting right in here. I'll show you. I have it sitting right in there. Somewhere in there. Hold on. I have it sitting right in there. You can kind of see the fuzzy there, right there. Got it clipped in and it works good. I haven't really tried any other place because that was like the first place that I put it and it worked. So I just left it there ever since. But it comes with everything you need, right? And it'll work right there. It plugs right in, perfect, with no issue. And yeah, this is like the best budget friendly setup. Besides like the camera, you can go with a cheaper camera. That's why I kind of started with the Hero 12. I got a really good deal on it. And started off with that, and then as I got more serious into it, then I was like, okay, let me upgrade to a better camera. Later on, I'll upgrade to a better mic. But if you're trying to get into the motovlogging setup and you're trying to make content, stuff like that, this is like the best budget-friendly setup between the helmet the audio setup, the camera, stuff like that, this is like the best budget friendly setup. And like I said, it's worked for me for a while. So slowly I'll start upgrading and everything like that. But at this point, I mean, I don't really have a reason to upgrade because it works, you know, and it works really, really well. So, but that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, please drop it down below in the comment section. Share, subscribe, like, interact in some way, shape, or form. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I really do. And until next time, bye.